Testing 1, 2. Okay, I'm back. It's been a while, so we'll see. I'm gonna try to crack my neck. We'll start out with the knuckles. 1, 2. Alright, we got that done because some people were saying that you know, it's kind of suspect or shady because when I was popping my neck, I guess some people assumed that my knuckles were the joints that were doing the popping, which could be nothing could be further from the reality of it. I'm really sleepy, so if I seem really strange, that's the reason. Other than the fact that I'm probably a little strange anyway, so. Okay. Here we go. Loosen up. Do a few stretching exercises. Okay. Ooh. Now we're going to do the extension.